Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. When it comes to fusion cuisine, Indo-Chinese dishes are simply delectable and dragon chicken tops the list. To start with, take 300 grams of boneless chicken in a small bowl and cut them into strips like this or even cubes. Add half a teaspoon of white pepper powder and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this until the chicken is coated with the seasoning. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Now cover this chicken and let it marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, see, the chicken is juicy and moist. Also, it's tender. Now add 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 egg. Give this a good mix until the flour coats to the chicken. You can use black pepper powder instead of white pepper powder if you wish to. You know, except for the marination time, this dish takes less than 30 minutes to prepare. If the batter is thick, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of chilled water to loosen the batter a bit. Keep mixing this until they are well coated. Also try this recipe in your kitchen and share your delicious experiences in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to read your experiences. Let it sit for another 10 minutes. Meanwhile, heat enough oil in a pan to deep fry the chicken. Once the oil is hot, dip the chicken pieces one at a time without overcrowding the pan. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Let the chicken fry on one side for 2 minutes on a medium flame and keep stirring the chicken for it to cook evenly. When the chicken turns golden, remove from the heat. Our chicken is perfect and good to go, and transfer to a plate lined with tissue paper. Next, in another pan or wok, take 2 tablespoons of oil, add 2 tablespoons of broken cashew nuts and saute on a medium flame until they turn golden. I know you'll agree with me. If cashew nut lovers are there at home, it'll vanish in no time. You see, they are perfectly done. Transfer them to a small bowl. In the same oil, add 8 cloves of garlic that are finely chopped and saute for a minute on a medium flame. Then add 4 to 5 red chilies that are broken, 1/4 cup of scallions from the spring onion, and saute for a minute on a high flame until they are translucent. You can substitute the scallions with 1 onion that's sliced. Our scallions are now translucent. Have the flame on low and add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of red chili sauce and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Mix this until they are well combined. You know, this recipe can be made easily with all the available ingredients from our kitchen. Now add the julienned green, red and yellow capsicums and give them a good stir. You can always skip red and yellow capsicums and go with green capsicum alone. Now switch to a high flame and add the fried chicken strips. Keep mixing the mixture so that the sauce gets coated all over the chicken. And also add a tablespoon of honey or sugar at this stage for extra flavor, but I am not going in for that extra sweetness. Now add the toasted cashew nuts and give it a good mix. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. This dragon chicken recipe is super spicy, tangy and sweet. I am adding a tablespoon of water to dilute the sauce as it got dry and mix this on a high flame for a minute. You can always skip this water if you wish to. Sprinkle some spring onions to finish off the dish. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Serve this dish hot as an appetizer or as a side to any fried rice variety. Right before serving, sprinkle few toasted cashew nuts, some spring onions, and some toasted white sesame seeds on the dish. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.